first time I ever made money was, I think, in grade 3. I made my first dollar by selling Orbeez. They used to be these like little balls, and they used to be a popular thing. It was a popular trend back in the day. I got like a packet, sold it to my friend for like more than $1, and I made profit. Since then, that was my first time I made money. First time I actually like made money from some stranger. And the next time I made money was like last year. Like I used to have like these, I still have them, but like I still have these, like I had these like small friends, like kid friends, I would say. And they used to talk about Pokemon cards all the time. And then I was thinking to myself, my local stationery shop sells Pokemon cards for like very cheap. I should buy it and sell it to my friends for a increased amount, because they didn't know where to buy Pokemon cards. They just had Pokemon cards from their like other friends giving to them. So I'm like, I should buy it and sell it for like higher price. So I got the Pokemon cards. I still have some of them. This is the extra stuff I have. These are fake Pokemon cards. Okay, not real ones. And then I got these Pokemon cards. I told them these are fake Pokemon cards, and they're like, okay, if you still want them. So I sold them for like, I think like I sold like, these are like 1 dirham each. Like if you know what's like the UE price is, like 1 dirham. It's like 30 cents. Okay, I sold it for like $3. I sold it for like 10 dirhams. So 10 times the price I sold it, and they still bought it. It's still like I made like I made like more than $10, like selling these. I think I sold like 3 of them, 4 of them, but like I mean like money. I made money of these, and then that's the second time I made money, and I still didn't know what like thing I was doing correct to like make this money. Like I was selling Orbeez and I made money, but I don't know how I made the money. Like what rule I used. I sold these Pokemon cards. I sold them. I made money. I don't know what rule I used to make money. Then like last week, we have in our school we have like a pretty important test coming up, like for sciences, and everyone is studying about it. Like everyone is like supposed to study for it, and like some people in our school don't actually study for it, and they're like, oh my god, I don't want bad grades, but they still don't study, and like they don't have time to study. So I made my handwritten notes for the topic, for the test. I made the handwritten notes and very concise, like 4 pages. I sold it in the school to my friends. Like I sold it to my friends, and then I got money in return, because I used this one rule, and this one rule is the most foundation rule for making money. And the rule is, you have to you have to solve society's problems to get money in return. So, for example, I said like Orbeez, yeah. It was a popular trend, everyone wanted it. I got the product and sold it. Solved someone's problem. They wanted the Orbeez because it's like, the popular trend, I want to have it as well. And like they didn't know where to get it. They're like, okay, I'll just give it to you for like money. Like give me money, I'll give it to you. So I got money in return, made a profit. The second time I made sell Pokemon cards, yeah. I give the example. They didn't know where to buy Pokemon cards, how much it was, and blah blah blah. So I'm like, okay, I'll just sell it to you, bro. You give me the money, I'll give the Pokemon cards. And they were happy, I was happy. So win-win. Then the next time, like last week, I sold my revision notes, like in school, like to my friends, and they didn't know how to revise. They didn't know like way to revise, what like stuff to see, what like resources, like like they didn't know anything about like that specific. They were getting bad grades. They get better grades. They didn't know how to get better grades. So I'm like, I'll just give you my revision notes, and you give me money. I got money. They got the revision notes. It was a win-win situation. So the thing is, the general rule is to solve society's problems. And if you can do this, I'm guarantee you will make money. It could be anything. I'm just giving examples with the Orbeez, Pokemon cards, and the revision notes. That's just my examples and how I like made money. It could be anything to you. It could be like selling anything, anything that you have and someone else doesn't have and they want it. Sell it to them and make money. That's how I made money, and I hope this video like made like granted you some knowledge, and I hope you use this rule to make money. And see you next week. If you like this type of videos, like subscribe and like the video and share to your friends, because I'm just starting out like a new YouTube channel. So I'll do weekly uploads. So okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. See you.